Reviewing Wipro, a business in the software industry, a leader in the sector. Office looks crowded, though now it will not be the same. Coming to the rankings, earnings rank is at 67.90%, price rank is at 80.60%. Ranks below 70 are those stocks which doesn't qualify for a buying opportunity, while this drop in ranking has happened in the September quarter. Before that, the ranking was slightly higher. Price rank well qualifies for a buy. Even at 80 it looks more attractive. So how this stock is built up strength, it's only because of expectation that the industry will do post the COVID challenges. If we see the ranking chart from July, in the last 5 months, it started at 51.90 and it had a beautiful climb, came to close to 86 and now it's at 80.6. Let's see how this climb has given as profits from the charts as we go to those. Coming to business growth, profit had been very, very volatile. This up and down movements on the profit chart is not good, where investors will not like this kind of volatility. That's why this stock had been in a sideways range for a very, very long time. Margins are at rest. It was at 20 and it stays at 20 for the last 3 years, whereas other software companies, at least they will give 1 to 1.25% higher growth quarter on quarter. This company has been struggling on that front. Sales, which was at zero growth, came up close to 20% growth in 2019 and further dropped back to zero growth again. So sales is struggling, margins are clearly at rest, profits are uncertain. That's why it is kept on this stack of stones which is just about to fall. Coming to investors on Wipro, retail have made good investments in September 2019 onwards, and that's fared very well for them. So retail have added up their exposure. Insurance have also added up exposure, and both these sectors have made good money from the stock, whereas DIIs, domestic institutional investors, have sold. Even mutual funds have not been so very convicted in this stock. FIIs have been staying outside the stock. Looks like they have made some wrong decision as per the stock is concerned. Coming to the charts, there are beautiful patterns here. On the left side is the monthly chart of Wipro. As the price grinded down during COVID, indicators also showed very strong bearish strength, while post that it just had a bust out. When bust outs happen, stocks will fly. That's what happened in Wipro. In April, the stocks turns around from a steep bearish strength, and when we come to weekly patterns, we can see in 2019, early 2019, the stock had a steep drop. After that, price stays at the same level for close to a year. Very long stay in the bearish territory. Generally, when this happens, it's kind of written off stories, whereas here there was a bounce back. When COVID drop came, price drilled down, indicators gave a bullish signal. This green line on the chart gives the lower low on the price, whereas the blue line on the indicator gives a higher low on the indicators. That gives bullish divergence. Of course, it is very extended. Generally, these kind of patterns don't work well. While this stock, after this bullish divergence, gave a beautiful trend reversal pattern. This trend reversal pattern has 80% probability of winning. That's what happened, and post that it just ran through a big bull run. This position gave 70% profits in 4 months. So COVID was a blessing for Wipro. Now it is far from reach. It needs correction, and correction can be steep because the buy zone in monthly is far away and weekly is getting tied more weaker. It's been in consolidation. It can have an upside breakout and from there it can fall. Buy zone is somewhere around 310 to 340. Only there it is worth buying. Otherwise, we have to stay away from the stocks. All views are shared. Our thoughts and ideas on the stock market from our side. There is no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. If wanting to buy or sell the stock, do your judgment and make a decision. Thank you.